Hello student, myself Rasmi Singh. In my previous video, I have discussed about how to read large numbers. Today I will discuss about how to write large numbers, face value and place value and international place value chart. To write 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit number in place value chart, steps are: first, make a place value chart. Second, mark the periods. Number third, name the places in each period from right to left. Let us take an example so that you can understand how to write numbers in place value chart. Suppose we have to write following numbers in place value chart. First of all, make a place value chart. Name the places in each period from right to left. Then, question number A, 41 lakh. Write the number in lakh period from left to right, means highest period to the smallest one. 41 lakh in lakh period, 62,000 in thousand period, 349 in ones period. In next, 8 crore in crore period, 34 lakh in lakh, 10 in thousand, 578 in ones. Next example, 51 crore. Write 51 in crore, 71 in lakh, 21 in thousand, 341 in ones. Our next topic is face value and place value. I think all of you are familiar with this term. Face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself, and place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in a place value chart. Place value equal to face value multiplied by place of the digit in a place value chart. Let us find out the place value of each digit in a given number. You know that place value is the product of face value and the place of the digit in a place value chart. Look, 5 is at the place of 1. Face value is 5. So place value of 5 is 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. Place value of 4 is 4 multiplied by 10 equal to 40. Because face value is 4 and 10 is the place of digit 4. Similarly, place value of digit 6 is 6 multiplied by 100 equal to 600. Place value of digit 9 is 9 multiplied by 1000 equal to 9000. Place value of digit 8 is 8 multiplied by 10,000 equal to 80,000. Place value of 0 is 0 because place value of 0 is always 0. Place value of digit 6 is 6 multiplied by 10 lakh equal to 60 lakh. Place value of digit 6 at the place of crore is what? 6 multiplied by 1 crore equal to 6 crore. Our next topic is International System of Numeration. I think all of you are familiar with the Indian system of numeration. Now take a look at the international place value chart. You know that in international place value chart, all periods have 3 places. The name of the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, and so on. Let us understand how to write numbers in international place value chart. First of all, mark the periods with commas. As you know that all periods have 3 places. So put comma after 3 digit. Now draw the international place value chart. Name the places in each period from right to left. Now write numbers from left to right, from higher period to smaller, so that you can see that first number is 508,965. Our next example is 26,05,854. Look, when you compare it with the Indian system of numeration, you can see that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So students, I will come soon with other topics in large numbers. Thank you.